Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Alice， 你应该知道我爱吃吗？
看得出来。
不要再补这句话嘛，就说对你是美食专家就好了，还要看得出来。
吃遍各地啊。
Everyone knows that I love eating, all right? I love all sorts of food. But when it comes to food, it comes back to the basics too, okay? So let's teach you how to say things associated with the farm, agricultural products, for instance, a farmer, the people who actually make these food for us. All right, 所以先从所谓的农产品，因为台湾真的农产品很多哈。There's a lot of agricultural products here in Taiwan. They're all great. How do you say agricultural products? 农产品。
农产品。
农产品。弄个3瓶来啊
！3瓶，6瓶给你都没问题。
3瓶苹果汁，弄3瓶，不是啊？什么？
你就知道吃
对
农产品。
对啊，
农产品是产品，不是3瓶。
听 ，It sounds like give me 3 bottles, but it actually means agricultural product. 农产品。All right. Then how do you say a farmer? 农夫。
港中人。
港中人
其实就是耕种的人啊。
耕种 ，Okay, the one who goes into the farm and farms for us. Okay, it's a farmer. And then the farm. 这个田，农田怎么说呢？
田。
就田那个字而已。田 ，the farm. All right.
海陆腔。天。
看到天去了哈，不是农田是天。
农夫耕种也要看天吃饭哦。
对，没错。Okay.
天。
In a different dialect, now it sounds like the sky, but it still means a farm. 天。All right. Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases here. 农夫在农田工作好了，好不好？
好。
听起来有点像这种绕口令哦。农夫在农田工作。How do you say a farmer is working in the farm? It sounds like a tongue twister, but here's how you say it in Hakka.
港中人。
港中人。
都田丢度。
都田丢度。
周西。
周西。
对。
所以这句话再讲一次。
港中人都田丢度周西。
港中人都田丢度周西。I made it. It is a tongue twister. All right, let's review these terms. Agricultural products, 农产品，农产品，对不对？我记起来了。And then the farmer, 农夫，
港中人，
港中人。And then the farm, 农田，
田。
There you go. All about agricultural stuff, and that's Practical Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.